Hello. I saved a spreadsheet file in a folder named Data, and I want to access it quickly from the search box. To do that, I followed these steps. Start. Settings. Privacy and security. Windows security. Search. Find my files. Classic. Customize search locations. Indexing options. Modify. Browse to the folder named Data. Tick. OK. Close. Check to ensure the folder has been added successfully. Added successfully. Check the results. Search. Data. This way I can quickly find the folder or files within that folder using only the search box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.